Hi, it's Kurt Clements with Insider Show Homes, and I'm here with Nicole Lewis. We are at a property in Glenwood, and one of the things we were talking about is this beautiful home, which I'll show you in a second. Is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's priced at $165,000, but the taxes are a lot higher than what they are in our other home. The other home was priced higher, but the taxes were a lot lower. The moral of the story is the payment's going to be off, or difference between the two homes, about $25 a month. So it's not really a big deal, but when you're out looking at homes, taxes, they play an important part of what your payment's going to be. So let's take a look at this home. All right, so come in the front door. There's your front door. We come into the beautifully staged kitchen. Not a total open concept like we saw before, but when I turn around, I'll show you what I'm looking at. Okay, and again, I'll have pictures of the outside as well. This door leads to the garage. We don't need to open that. This leads to the backyard with a beautiful deck. I'll show you the backyard in a second. And that door goes down to the basement. On this home, they have a two-tone on the cabinetries. They have gray down on the bottom, white on the top, and again, it's staged beautifully. Okay, this home does have backsplash, kind of sparkly almost. Stainless steel appliances. Does not have a washing machine, or excuse me, a dishwasher. Thank you. And probably when you look at it, if they were gonna have a washing machine, it'd go right here. A dishwasher, geez Louise, it'd go right here. There's just not enough room. That's why I'm assuming why the contractor didn't have that. There's your main living area. There's Nicole. Say hi, Nicole.
Hello.
Yeah, there's Nicole again. All right, so come into the house. On your left, kitchen. On the right, family room. Come back here. Here's our coat closet. Okay. And then we have a main hallway where we have 3 bedrooms. So this is staged beautifully. They staged it with a full-size bed. They definitely could have used a queen or a king, but you do have plenty of room. Okay? Go down the hallway. And again, wonderfully staged room. This room's the smallest room in the house. It is tiny, but for Nicole, it would work. It's going to be her and her grandmother. Okay. That's the second room. Another linen closet here. Okay. And then another big bedroom. You do have plenty of room here, believe me. It's probably a 12 by 12. And I told you the backyard, the windows are dirty. I'm not going to go outside. But maybe I should. There we go. That's a better picture. You do have a fenced in backyard. Okay? And we are in Glenwood. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, priced at $165,000. I'm rounding. Okay. And pretty cool backsplash, actually. I've never seen this before. 2 shower heads with that little thingy there. So that's kind of cool. And backsplash, very shiny, a very gray tone throughout the property. Again, this house was recently rehabbed and remodeled. Okay, I'm going to skip the toilet. We're going to go down into the basement. And Nicole and I noticed the basement has a similar look to the last one, but it has a I'll say a 1960s floor. It's kind of, it's definitely kind of different. It's dark down here. I got to get the light on. Okay, so check out this floor. It looks a little gray in the picture or in the video. Actually, it's a brown tone. This is a basement. It's a huge basement, and the reason it's so big is because we're in a ranch home. Ranches have a bigger floor plan because they don't go up like a split. So you have a gigantor basement. Okay? And then look up, and they did the same thing on this basement as they did in the last one. They have the can lighting. They also have the, they painted it dark. It's like a dark, it's probably black. We come in here to the laundry area. Okay? There's your sink. There's a hookup for the washer and dryer vent. Okay, HVAC. Not as rehabbed to the hilt like the last home was. Still a beautiful home. And the shower. Okay, so this is the downstairs. And a place to sit, actually. Okay, so gonna head upstairs. If I can get the lights turned off. Again, huge basement. Forgot the other light. Hang on. So I got a huge basement, and we're in Glenwood. This is in the Homewood Flossmoor School District, which is nice. It's right off of 83rd Street. We're gonna head upstairs, and again, didn't do as much as they did on the previous home, but still a very nice job. Two-car garage. Again, we're back here in the kitchen. I'm gonna flip this around. Hey, Nicole. There's Nicole again, patiently waiting. It's Kurt Clements with Insider Show Homes. If you know of anybody looking to buy a home or sell a home, please don't hesitate to have them reach out to us. We'd be loving to help them as well. Thank you so much.